Hi, today I will show you how I printed this awesome Konstantine Heavy Revolver. I'm Medic 3D and I do a lot of 3D printing related stuff. Lately, while browsing Thingiverse, I stumbled upon this great design. Konstantine Heavy Revolver, uploaded by Alias 404. The gun was designed by Sergey Kolesnik. Check his other models, they are stunning. I 3D printed all the parts using my Prusa i3 Mark III's and three colors of PLA: silver, dark grey and black. For most parts I used the 0.50mm default profiles. The only change I made was to print air body part in two pieces. The print time is the same, but the surface finish should be better and supports easy to remove. One note: I printed this part on smooth PA sheet, so the seam is less visible than when printed on textured one. After printing all the parts, it's time for the assembly. Removing the supports is easy and boring. Next, it's time for the dry assembly. Unfortunately, not all the parts were fitting together nicely, but it is because my support settings aren't perfect. This is why there were so much sanding included. For sanding pins, I used my drill. Be more careful than I if you don't want to break your part. You know what? It would be wise to glue those two pieces together and then continue sanding so the glue has some time to cure. For gluing, I am using Revel Contacta glue.
A few moments later.
I prepared all the parts. Now it's time for the final check if everything fits nicely. If so, I can start the final glue up. Okay, everything seems to be just perfect, so I can use the glue and finish this project for now. And it is ready, looking great. I really enjoyed creating this piece. Kudos to Sergey for making this one public. Watch my other videos and see you next time.